What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new songs, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Oh, my bad. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media accounts, people impersonating me, scamming people. So please, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I'm here again, dropping gems. I'm here again, giving you guys some good, vital information and get you some money as long as you follow the steps, as long as you follow the instructions. And know that just because I drop these videos and these credit videos and bad credit loans and stuff like that doesn't mean you just go apply and think you're going to get approved. No, you got to make sure your profile is together. You got to make sure your credit report is together. You got to make sure you can show on paperwork that you can pay back this loan and you qualify to get this loan and you make enough money to get this loan. It's a lot of different things just other than those three numbers that goes in the part, to plays in the part that you getting these credit cards, lines of credits, and loans. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys, giving you guys a credit union that will give you up to $100,000 in personal loans with just your signature. All you gotta do is be a member. Now, if you want a good chance of getting approved for this loan, follow the steps that I give you, that I'm about to give you, before you go and try to apply for this loan and all that good stuff like that, because you will not get approved. But if you listen to me and pay attention and hear what I'm saying, take notes and rewatch the video and do what you gotta do and hear what I'm saying and understand it and interpret it the right way, I guarantee you will get approved for these loans. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about Consumers Credit Union. They're giving out $100,000 in signature loans for members only. All right, not for anybody, for members only. And they got other credit cards and loans and business loans like that. But today we're gonna be talking about the personal $100,000 signature for members only. Now let's think about it. Let's be smart. When it comes to getting loans, we all know that they're gonna look and see if we qualify, if we make enough money to even pay back this loan, right? So you gotta think about it as a house. Like you're getting renting a house. They say you gotta make 2 to 3 times more, double the rent, right? So you make the rent is $1,000, you gotta make like $3,000 or something like that, right? Boom. So you gotta think of like the same way as getting a loan, right? You wanna be somewhere in that ballpark. So take that in consideration whenever you're getting a loan, all right? Double it up and make sure you make double what you're trying to get, so you can show and prove that you're gonna be able to pay back this loan and still make money to survive, right? So let's say you're going for this $50,000 loan, because like I said, 9 times out of 10, when you get any loan over $50,000, they're going to want way more paperwork and documentation, right? Because you're going for more money, a larger amount. So what you want to do is this is premeditated work. You're planning ahead. You're sitting down. You're orchestrating how you're going to get approved for this loan. So first thing you want to do is, like I tell you in every other video, you want to start with your personal credit. You want to say, okay, if I'm employed, cool. If I'm self-employed, I want to say, all right, I need to get my personal credit looking good. So when they go to check it, it won't look all bad. I won't have bad credit, nothing. Because like I said, anybody out there that has bad credit, you can fix your credit. You just got to actually want to fix it. You got to actually have a passion to want to actually do better, get your credit together. And a lot of people don't got that. A lot of people make so many excuses on a daily basis. A lot of people say, oh, I ain't got this, so I can't do that. Or a lot of people say, oh, I can't do this because I can't do that, or I don't got this. Stop making excuses. Everybody can do whatever they want to do. Anything is possible. You can clean your credit. You can change your life in matters of no time with your credit. So you got to actually want to be successful, actually want to do better, and actually want to clean your credit to make this work. If you don't want to actually do it, you just want to cut corners and get over and do some type of scam or something, it's not not going to work for you. I'm trying to teach people out there how to do things the right way. So when it comes to a point, whenever you want to do anything that you want to do, you'll know how to do it and be successful at it. Point blank, period. All right. So, boom. You want to get your credit report. You want to clean your credit. You want to add those trade lines. You want to make sure everything is in order. You want to make sure if you're self-employed, you got the ADP payroll provider that you're running your money through, so you can start generating you a paper trail of your money coming in from your business, and you're getting paid with real checks and paying taxes on them W-2s. Paying taxes. So that's why you go through ADP, so you can show that, and they can say, okay, you're actually getting money from this company, you're actually getting paid, and you actually got a cash flow coming in. So boom, that's why you put your money through ADP if you're self-employed. So boom, that's how you build a relationship. So once you get them ADP payrolls and you got your credit together from adding those trade lines, that I'll tell you guys all the time, trade line supply, the main two, trade line supply and credit strong. Once you got those trade lines on there, once you got your ADP payroll, you put money through there, then you want to go open up an account with them, right? So today we're gonna be talking about Consumers Credit Union. You can get up to $100,000 in personal loan with just your signature, as long as you're a member. But we're not going for $100,000. We're going for $50,000 or less to make it easy. And without further ado, let's check out Consumers Credit Union and show you where you can go to get you up to $50,000 to $100,000 in personal loans and just your signature. All right, so let's check them out. So today we're going to be talking about Consumers Credit Union, up to 4.50 APY, rewards checking. They got certificates, 17-month terms, auto loans, credit card rates, free rewards checking, and they got home loans. All right, so we're going to go up here to borrow. We're going to go to personal loans. All right, so personal loans. Personal loans, signature loans for members only. Like I said, so you first thing you want to do is you want to open up an account, right? So once you open an account, you get some money flowing in there. You put some deposits of money. You get your ADP checks put in there and all that. You want to go to signature loans, right? So a signature loan, members only. As long as you are a CC member, you are in CC member, good credit, and signature is all it takes. All right, these unsecured loans, they loan without using collateral, are designed to provide you with the cash you use any way you wish, including debt consolidation we offer. All right, so good credit. So when I say add those trade lines, that's to boost your credit so you can have good credit and a credit limit, and the debt on your credit high, so you'll be able to get a high limit loan. I'm not saying this for bad credit or none of that. They at least need a 600 or better. So make sure you got adding them trade lines, because it's going to help you. It's going to play a big major part. All right, so low fixed rates with flexible terms, loan amounts up to $100,000, no prepayment penalty, a quick approval process. All right, so motorcycles, whether you picked out a perfect bike or are still searching, consider a motorcycle loan from Consumers Credit Union. You'll get the same great rate on a motorcycle financing for new, used, or used bikes. If you already have a motorcycle loan, refinance it with us, say the lower rates and monthly repayments. Right? So low rates, flexible terms, no prepayment penalty, a quick approval process. Then you got recreational vehicles, so cars, our power spot loans offer great fixed rates for your motor homes, campers, and boats, and purchases on refinance. All right, so 100% financing for qualified members. Great fixed rates for flexible terms, refinancing available on loans from the lender. Other lenders lower your rate and payment amount with our great rates and terms. ICC offers a quick, easy application and approval process. Then they got the secure loans. Purchase what you need or consolidate your debt. You have across the funds. You have access to funds to meet your loan's needs with CCU Secure Loan. You can use your savings as collateral for the lowest rates possible, or maybe you can have a car title free and clear. All right, either way, CCU can help you in a way that works for you. All right, so they got the share secure loans. You can pledge your savings as collateral for a loan. A share secure loan is a loan that is secured or guaranteed by shares in your account. All right, so secure collateralized loans, you can pledge a tangible property such as a car title, a motorcycle, cycle, or maybe a boat or snowmobile as collateral. These tangible items are used as collateral to guarantee your loan. All right, so that's just for the center. They got signature loans. Then they got the credit cards. They got the Visa credit card. All right, so Visa credit cards, no matter who you are or what your needs are, we've got the card for you. Score 0% intro, APR on new purchase and balances transfers for 12 months when you open up a CCU Visa credit card. All right, so they got different credit cards. So they got the Visa Platinum, 0% APR on new purchases and balances transfers for 12 months. Our lowest rate card, generous card credit limits, no annual fee, so they even got high credit limits on this one. Then they got the Visa Platinum Rewards, same thing, low rate card, earn reward points and gifts and travel, no annual fee. Then they got the Visa Signature Rewards, earn rewards points for merchandise travel, earn 3 points in grocery store, all that good stuff like that. Then they got the Visa Signature Cash Rebate Card. Then they got the Start Building Good Credit, available for ages 13 to 21. Credit limit starting at $250. All right, so this is a good credit card right there for students. Anybody 13 to 21, tap in with them. So view details. We can go view the details on the Platinum Visa card, the Platinum Visa card, Platinum Visa card. It says the CCU Platinum Visa card offers generous credit limits and a great rate with no annual fee. Throughout CCCU, you will also receive additional insurance when you rent an automobile, an additional 0% APR on new purchases and balances transfers for 12 months. This card offers the lowest rate and generous credit limits with no annual fee. All right, so here are more great reasons to apply for this card. So here are some more reasons to apply for the card. You just break it down. Break it down now. I heard they giving up to like $5,000, maybe 10, depending on your credit limit. So you need to tap in with them too, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with Consumer Credit Union. They're giving up to $100,000 signature loans with personal credit. Just be a member and be able to show that you can pay back that loan and you'll be good. Have you a decent credit, 600 or better, preferably a 620, which is easy. Just add those trade lines, let it marinate, let it age, and you'll be at the door. And you're good to go. So all right. So without further ado, let's talk about Consumers Credit Union. Then you guys got a Consumers Credit Union. They're giving up to $100,000 in personal signature loans, but we only looking for $50,000 or less because anything above or that, they're gonna be wanting more documents and more work, and it's gonna take way longer. So we're only trying to get to $50,000 or less. Make sure you become a member first. Once you become a member, start depositing your ADP payroll provider checks in there so you start generating a paper trail with that bank and establishing a relationship. Also, make sure you add those trade lines in those AU accounts to your credit report so you can have a boost and your credit report will look good when they go to check it. And you can boost your credit in no time. It takes 15 days to start seeing results once you start cleaning and building your credit. So do that. Make sure you y'all clean your credit. You'll add them trade lines. You'll add them AU credit card accounts. If you add 5, that's even better because you're gonna raise the credit limit on your credit report. Go open up an account with them. Start depositing them checks, them ADP payroll checks that you depositing your own money in. So you can start developing a paper trail and building up a relationship with that bank. And you will get approved for that signature loan. All right, so please take the steps that I'm telling y'all. Take the information that I'm telling y'all. It's very vital. It's very important that if you listen and you interpret it the right way, you'll be able to get approved. You'll build your credit and you'll be successful all at the same time. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in the Consumer Credit Union. Go get it. Go get all that established. Then go get you an account. Then go get you some money. Point blank. Period. All right, so. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, new fans, supporters, old fans, supporters, subscribers that's been rocking with me, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So I'm going to continue to do that. So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody looking to build and clean their credit, $600. The lessons are $600. So I'm going to teach you how to do that yourself. But if you want me to do it for you, that start at $1,500. All right, so credit lessons is $600. You want me to do it for you, that start at $1,500. Also, make sure you come get your unlimited gems. FaceTime 101s is $1,200. Unlimited gems, that's everything you need to know from CPNs, business credit, personal credit, loans, credit cards, lines of credit, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, everything you need to know, documents, all that good stuff, all right? So make sure y'all getting y'all unlimited gems, FaceTime on one-on-ones. Also, make sure you're getting y'all mentorships, $2,500. It's going to be everything with the unlimited gems. Plus, I'm going to make YouTube channels with you. We're going to make passive income together. We're going to run up a bag together. If the channel making 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. If it's making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Point blank, period. Just make sure you put in the same hard work that I'm putting in, and we will have no problems, all right? So make sure y'all come and get this mentorship and start making money with me and learning about the DW and other things and documents that you need to know, all right? Also, make sure you're booking your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person limited gems, $3,500 in person. In state, $4,500 out of state. All right, so if I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $35 if you come in state to me. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. All right. Also, I'm taking over Miami, Florida. I'm invading South Beach, so make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour. Invade King Hussle, invade South Beach. $3,500. I will be in Miami the 26th through the 29th of May, Memorial Day weekend. Book y'all seats right now. They $3,500. Got 10 seats available. Matter of fact, I think I got 9 seats available. So make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour. $3,500, $500 deposit. Rest of the money we meet in person. We're gonna run it up. We're gonna run up a bag in Miami. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna get some content done. All that. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a good time. So make sure y'all booking y'all seats right now on the crypto tour for Miami South Beach. $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. All right. Make sure y'all. I'm still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, content creators. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You want to come get your chain and watch. You want to start making some money with this music, tap in. You want to show me your music, music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest into yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? Make it make sense. Models, any beautiful ladies out there in the world that's ready to elevate, that's ready to build a brand and platform. You tired of taking them half-naked pictures for free, not making no money. You tired of stripping, you got gray hairs. You tired of doing all this silliness. You ready to do some real work, real avenue, real, you know what I'm saying, passive income. Tap in. I'm going to have you doing some stuff you probably never thought about you was doing, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be worth it. Make a lot of money, all right? Point blank period. I'm going to have you doing podcasting, how you really modeling, how you in real music videos, how you doing real stuff. That people going to be able to respect you as a woman. So make sure you tapping in, come to work with me on that. You make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed, all right? So make sure you cool peoples, all right? Also, cameraman, if you in Houston, Texas, you actually a videographer. That means you shoot the video, you go back home, you edit the video, you got good mastering skills, 4K or better, you got good grading, color grading, your FX effects is on point. Tap in, let's work. Content equals views, views equal money. Point blank period. The more content we put out, the more views we're gonna make, and that's gonna equal more money. Easy as that. So you ready to run up a bag, you ready to really get your brand and platform out there, let's work. Point blank period. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems, y'all lessons. Make sure y'all serious about business, about work. Make sure y'all following the format how I want y'all to book me. Make sure y'all follow me on my Telegram and my IG. Links are in my community post. Go run them up. Go. That's how you want to do business. Go to contact me on there. Make sure you got y'all money in balance on your Cash App balances already. Walmart to Walmart payment, and we have no problems. But if you're not ready, you will not get to do business with me. All right, I select and do business who I want to do business with. Everybody's not meant to be do business with. All right, all money not good money. So make sure you tap in. Make sure you come get y'all gems. Make sure you come to win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.